Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Chocolate Room.
Hold your breath. Make a wish. Count to 3. Come with me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Take a look, and you'll see into your imagination. We'll begin with a spin, traveling in the world of my creation. What we'll see will defy explanation. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it.
There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. I've never shown this room to anyone before.
I've been working on it for almost nearly a century.
Everything you see, every tree, every flower, every bird, is made completely and entirely out of chocolate.
For example,
the sugar trees really grow. The marshmallow peaks, they really fly. And in the winter, it snows powdered sugar. You can even milk the giraffe and get pina colada milkshakes. It's either something out of a dream, or where I grew up, or maybe I imagined it. I'm not sure anymore.
Yours are the first eyes ever to see it. A world made completely and entirely out of candy.
Grandpa Joe, now I know I'll never have to dream again. For I've had dreams incredible, but here's a dream that is edible. Mr. Wonka, pinch us please, so we can taste the forest for trees.
I'll go ahead, explore.
Wow, these flowers are made of marshmallows. This vertical's a lollipop. Look, the ants, they're millions and millions of hundreds of thousands.
Mr. Wonka, can we eat it?
Of course.
All of it!
Are you hungry?
Little bit.
You're free to eat anything you like in here.
Go ahead, eat whatever you like. That's what it's for.
Oh, but please, stay away from the waterfall.
Charlie, taste the dandelions. They're made of cotton candy.
This cow's made of marshmallow.
It's fine, it's rock candy!
Fruits are sugar plums.
Mama, a lagoon made entirely out of chocolate!
No! Stop! Don't drink from the chocolate lagoon.
All the chocolate in my factory is mixed in that waterfall.
It's connected directly to the main fudge mixing tubs.
I can't have this. Like this bit of contamination. imagination in the waterfall.
If you fall in, you're liable to get sucked up the pipe! Is that clear?
There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be. If you want to view paradise, simply look around and view it. Anything you want to do it. Want to change the world, there's nothing to it. There is no life I know to compare with pure imagination. Living there, you'll be free if you truly wish to be.
Look here, Wonka. The waterfall makes sense. But what's the point in all the rest of this stuff?
The point?
Well, what's it for?
It's my creation.
How does it make money?
It doesn't.
It's a little cupboard of treats for a midnight feast.
No, madam.
You use it for photo shoots.
Certainly not.
It's therapy.
No.
Well, if it isn't for anything and it doesn't make money, then why on earth does it need to exist at all?
You really don't see, do you? A painter needs no reason to make a thing of art. Yes, there's no switch to stop and start the flow. A gardener has his season, his green thumb and his heart. Don't ask the man, why does your garden grow? A poet sits for hours with words upon his tongue. He cannot help but rhyme his doom and gloom. So if you taste my flowers, you'll see that I'm among that certain group, that lucky troop, for whom it's simply second nature to wish away the gray, to take a licorice stick and make a tree. Yes, there's no rhyme or reason, I was simply made this way. What's strange to you is natural to me. It's simply second nature to paint outside the lines. It merely is the way that I was born. You see, I've been selected to create the unexpected and make each day feel just like Christmas morn. Picasso took a torso and turned it on its head. It isn't right or wrong, it's what he felt. And Dali, even more so, would positively dread explaining why his hands of time should melt. I take sweet honey and make a tasteful rose. What can I say? It's simply what I do. Some men make pots of money. They're happy, I suppose. But be grateful that for just a lucky few, it's simply second nature to see what isn't there. The mind is such a wonder to explore. And though some nights I dread all the voices in my head, I'd rather be this way than be a bore. It's simply second nature to dream of something new, then wake on fire and try to sculpt each day. It's no blessing, it's a curse. Wait, no, strike that and reverse. I wouldn't have it any other way.